Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's Wednesday. Time check, it's 5:30 in the afternoon and I just got home from the office. So I just decided to do my promise kasi sabi ko sa inyo or sabi ko sa previous vlog ko na I will do the second part ng staycation namin. Yung previous vlog ko, ano lang siya, nag-focus lang ako sa hotel review kasi masyado kaming na-disappoint sa hotel. And it's not worth yung binayaran talaga namin. As in. Okay, so this is the second part ng staycation namin. And we got a free access to Lumi Beach. This is the Lumi Beach. So, yeah. So, 1,400 na yon. Meron na siyang free access, day access sa Lumi Beach. And kung mag-a-avail ka nun, pwede kang mag-avail nun without staying in the hotel. That can be 100 dirhams per person. Come to think of it, guys. 100 dirhams. Okay, kasama na siya sa binayaran namin. But still, hindi pa rin worth yung bayad namin para sa hotel. So disappointing talaga. Pero sa Lumi Beach, sobrang ganda. Napaka-aesthetic. Nakaka-relax. Though, ang nakakasad lang na part was napaka-gloomy ng panahon. Napakadamot ng araw nung time na yon. Nung araw na yon, nagtatago siya. So, napakadilim talaga. Paggising namin the next day, akala namin makakapag-swimming kami directly sa dagat. Pero no, it's freezing cold. And napakadilim pa ng langit. So, we just decided to had breakfast first and walk. Chill lang sa beach. Pero sobrang aga pa nun, around 9 o'clock in the morning, grabe na yung dami ng dogs next to the beach. Kumbaga, nag-start na silang mag-play with the owner and sobrang ganda. Marirelax ka talaga. At I can say, based on my experience, nakapunta na kami ng Ras Al Khaimah, ng Fujairah, and I do prefer ang Omal Queen beach nila kasi malinis siya. As in, maiko-compare mo siya sa JBR or Kite Beach dito sa Dubai. Malinis siya. Hindi siya mabato, hindi siya maputik, hindi rin siya mabaho. Kasi when we went to Ras Al Khaimah, ang ganda ng hotel. Pero hindi ka makaligo sa dagat kasi napaka-lansa niya. As in, amoy na amoy mo talaga. Hindi mo talaga may enjoy. So, here sa Lumi Beach, animal friendly siya, dog friendly, napaka-aesthetic, boho style siya, para kang feeling mo nasa Indonesia ka. It's well decorated and meron silang ice bath. Dapat itatry namin yung ice bath kasi ang tagal-tagal ko nang gustong ma-experience yon dahil maganda nga daw, marami nga daw at saka maganda yung benefits. So, at hindi siya ganun kamahal. 50 dirhams lang per session. Pero, hindi namin nagawa kasi sobrang gloomy nga. At saka, baka hindi rin namin kayanin at magkasakit lang kami. So, we didn't do it. When it comes to food, their food is worth it naman yung prices niya. Although, humahabol siya sa prices dito sa Dubai. Kasi syempre, expect mo na Omal Queen yun. Hindi dapat kasing mahal ng Dubai, pero halos same lang din ang mga prices. Especially sa mga alcohol. Ganun din siya. Parehas lang din siya. But, masarap ang pagkain nila. And the service was really, really amazing. Especially yung mga server. Talagang they know what they are doing. They know how to serve and satisfy the customer. That's a good thing. at hindi siya crowded, so makakapag-relax ka talaga ng gusto. Or maybe because of the weather, I'm not sure. Maybe during summer, sobrang crowded siya kasi nga affordable yung access fee niya. Compare sa zero gravity dito sa Dubai na napakamahal. Nasa around 300, I believe. Pero syempre, when it comes to amenities, mas maganda pa rin ang zero gravity. But kung gusto mo, yung hinahanap mo lang is chill, malayo sa city and tahimik, hindi crowded and dog friendly or animal friendly, that's the best place to go sa Umal Queen. So, without further ado, alam ko gusto niyo nang makita yung aming munting vlog or video para sa Lumi Beach Hotel. I know, Lumi Beach. I'm sorry. So, here you go.
Wow!
Oh my god, it's so cold. Freezing cold. Ordered pina colada. So food came. I ordered chicken wings with pineapple. Burger with fries. tayo. Laughing at me. No tissue, darling. Only this. Yung pricing nila dito, almost same lang naman sa Dubai. Itong chicken na to, 55 dirhams. Yung drinks nila, yung pinacolada, 45.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me.
Which one?
But they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try things. They just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a dollar, that shit never lasts. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. When you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental. I don't think you understand what I go through, just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity and I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I